HeyGen. This is probably the coolest technology and the most freakishly scary, fun technology that we use. What we're able to do with HeyGen is I created a sample video of me sitting and talking at my desk, which I'm going to show you guys in just a second. It doesn't really work when I stream this that well, but we're gonna try to show it anyway. And what I did is I created myself as an AI avatar. So that's where I came up with the JI term, right? So I'm JI. And I made a video of me talking into the camera. It was about 3 minutes long, and it was training the HeyGen AI to learn my inflection, my animation, my voice, everything about me sitting there. And now all we have to do is feed it text, right? Just feed it text input, feed it a script, and it will create the video of me saying the script without me having to record a video saying the script. So one of the things that this has done, I'll show you guys JI. Let's see if I can find a short one. Well, I'll just show you guys a couple seconds of one. Let's see if this will work. Hopefully the audio will work here as well. But I'm just going to try this and see if it'll come up. Like I said, streaming this doesn't always work that great. So if you guys really want to see it in action, let me know after the webinar. You guys can go play with HeyGen. Heather will put the link into the comments as well. But here we go. Let's see if this will play. All right. I did not record any of that video. Let me say that again. I did not record that video. That is completely AI generated me saying those words in a high resolution format based on a sample video that I gave it that it learned about me from. So I hope that makes sense. Put a hell yes in the comments. Heather, you didn't see it. Did everybody not see that? Do I need to show it again? Uh-oh. Hold on a minute. Let's try that again. Everybody see it now? Heather, are we good? Can I roll it? Okay. Sorry, guys. Let me try that again. The power of live webinars. All right, here we go. Heather, let me know if there's sound also.
What's up, business owners? Jay Vix here. If you're not using video as part of your marketing strategy yet, you're missing out on a massive opportunity. Look, I get it. The idea of creating video content can seem intimidating, especially if you're a smaller business with limited resources. But here's the thing. Video marketing is a total game changer that you can't afford to ignore.
All right. Okay, so I'm back on the screen. We just uploaded a script, some text into HeyGen and said create a video of Jay saying this video, this script. If you think that is cool as hell, just write cool in the comments. Let me know you're still with me. You're still alive out there. Please show it again. Dawn, I need to show it again. All right, can I show it again? Let's see. I'll show it again. I'll show only 20 seconds this time. But hang on. Let's see. Add to stage. Here you go.
What's up, business owners? Jay Vix here. If you're not using video as part of your marketing strategy yet, you're missing out on a massive opportunity. Look, I get it. The idea of creating video content can seem intimidating, especially if you're a smaller business with limited resources.
All right. So, I hope you got it that time. Yeah, it's it's not perfect. And people who really, really know me, they're like, Jay, I could tell that that was not exactly you in the way you talk, right? Your eyes, there's something with your eyes or your eyebrows, you know, just, but think about it. If you were sending out content and you had really good, well-written scripts and well-written content, you could do a lot with this video. It's actually quite scary. There are certifications that you have to make to say, yes, this is me. You can use me to do these videos. You have to certify it's you. Because think about it. You get this in the wrong hands and it could be kind of scary. So, is there always going to be bad actors? Absolutely. But yeah, if you're using this to help create more video for yourself instead of having to sit down, get the camera ready, get the lighting ready. Everybody says, oh, it's really easy, just do a quick video. But when you're sitting down at your studio trying to do a quick video usually turns into an hour of setup, and then you get 2 minutes of video, and then you're so tired, and then you got to edit it all, and then you're not happy with it, and you feel like you wasted a whole day. This is the way to do it. So HeyGen, really, really fun tool. I'm going to go back off screen and put this back into full screen layout. All right, and then we've got Minvo. Minvo is a new tool that we found recently. Let's sip some water here. Minvo is great for taking those videos, those long form videos, and automatically using AI, chopping them up into smaller social media clips with captions, animated captions, the ones that change color with every word that you say, that you see on TikTok and all over reels and stories, right? It does it all for you. So hang on one second. All right, thanks. So Minvo, we have our social media coordinator, Veronica. She will take the videos from HeyGen and she will run them through Minvo, and we'll get 2 to 4 to sometimes 6 shorter social media clips from it. And you can do it with like podcasts if you're on a podcast, or if you have a long form video, if you're on like a 40-minute video. Minvo will split that into like 24, 30-second clips for you, complete with captions and all the things you need. So if you don't like editing videos, let AI do it, right? And this is where it gets fun for us. So what we realized is we learned these tools. We learned content at scale. We learned about Claude and even ChatGPT. We learned about HeyGen. We learned about Minvo. And I have 2 people that are extremely important to me on our team. I have Heather and Veronica. Now, maybe you don't have 2 people. You definitely don't have Heather and Veronica. But you could get a virtual assistant in the US or Philippines, or somewhere, as long as they understand good English and can learn how to utilize AI. Or you could use somebody that already works with you, right? It is pretty cool, Tom, right? And what you can do, I'm going to show you our Digital Duplication Framework. So we call this the DDF, and guess what we use to name this framework? Yes, you're right, AI. I basically explained the entire framework to, I think, Claude or ChatGPT. I'm not quite sure. I don't remember. And I said, hey, I need a name for this framework. But what it effectively does is it clones me. Heather and Veronica create more content of me on video than I will ever create. So here's what we do. Heather will go in to content at scale, which content at scale is this image here on the left-hand side. This is kind of what it looks like. And she will take a keyword or a topic, and she'll say, all right, write a 2,000, 3,000 word blog post or article about this topic, right? And it's going to create this really, really well organized, optimized blog post, complete with sections, table of contents broken out, table of contents at the top, and all the sections are there. And so now we have kind of our backbone content, like the big piece of content that we want to, the big idea, right? The big idea that we want to put out there. And she will then take a section of it, and on the right side here, she'll turn it into a script. So she'll go into Claude and she'll say, hey, I need a 3 to 4 minute video script for JVix adapted from the blog post content. She'll put in the title, she'll put in the topic that we want from the post, and she'll actually put in the content from the post, like copy paste, right? Very simple. Copy paste right in there, basic prompt, need a video script, and hit enter. And what it will do is it will generate a script, a literal script from that. Just upload the document. Upload the document right in there. And then from there, we get the script. And she turns it over to Veronica, right? Now, you don't need 2 people to do this. Heather could just as easily go into HeyGen herself at this point. Like, shouldn't need to turn it over to Veronica. If you don't have 2 people, utilize 1. We have 2. Veronica does a lot of the video content, social media coordination for JVI Mobile and for Journey Builder for our stuff. So that's why we do that handoff at that point. But you really, 1 person could do this, and it doesn't have to be you, or you could do it yourself. But then what Veronica will do is she'll take that script and she'll load it into HeyGen, which is this image here on the left, and she'll pick which of my avatars she wants to use. You'll see I've got one where I'm standing in front of like a colored brick background, and I've got 2 different ones where I'm sitting here where I am today at my desk. And she will load that script into HeyGen, and she will say, turn this into a video, and we'll get a 3 to 4 minute video based on, where I'm reading the script to a camera, and it creates the AI version of me doing it. And from there, we can upload that video to YouTube, like the full video. But then she takes it and she creates clips in Minvo, the 4th piece of technology, or 5th that we showed today, but the 4th for the DDF. And she can come in here and very basic little editing. You edit by text. There's very little. It creates the captions, the content. It takes it and it splits it up into social media clips, which then we can load into Journey Builder, our software, and schedule them to go out to publish. Now, you do not need to actually use a social media automation tool like Journey Builder that we offer, or Hootsuite, or any of these others, because Minvo actually does. You can connect your social media accounts there, and you can actually post to social media directly from Minvo. Now, of course, we would love it if you used our software, and you can schedule with our software, but Minvo, you can actually just say, yep, share this as a reel. You can change whether it's landscape, rectangle, or vertical portrait, depending on the platform you want to send it to. So obviously TikTok is going to be your vertical, and Facebook, LinkedIn, those will typically be your landscape horizontal platforms. So I hope that explains the DDF in the best way possible. So it's four main steps, 4 main software tools. You have links to all of them. Heather put the links in there. There's content at scale, then Claude, which we don't have the link to. You go to claude.ai. We don't have a affiliate link. Just go there. You could even use ChatGPT though. You could tell ChatGPT, the latest version, I'm sure can create the script just as well as Claude. And then take that script, load it into HeyGen, and then create the video, and then go to Minvo and split it up. I hope that makes sense. If you guys have questions about that, put them in the comments. We've been using it now. We're still trying to come up with the case study on how much content we've been able to create from this, but it's something like over 30 or 40 videos from like 5 articles or so, roughly. In the last couple months, and we space things out, but the good news is for me is I didn't have to do any of that work, right? I, as the business owner, I didn't have to do any of that work. All right. Now, Journey Builder, shameless plug. It's our tool. We've talked about it a few times. This is how you can integrate Journey Builder with AI tools or integrate AI tools into Journey Builder. If you want to learn more about Journey Builder, I'm happy to share more about it with you. But inside of Journey Builder, you can create landing pages and funnels, and you can take your forms and you can embed your forms from FormWise right into those landing pages, connect your domain, and now anybody who fills out that form, that lead comes into your Journey Builder system as a contact, and at the end of the day, Journey Builder is a CRM. You can also post blogs and build websites inside of there. So any of your content at scale articles, you can then put on your you can use the Journey Builder blog section to put those articles up, so you have a place to host your blogs. But if you're using WordPress or any other blogging system or website system, you can use those as well. Claude can help you. This goes back to what Dawn said earlier, right? Creating emails, writing. You can create different like text message broadcasts or website copy, landing page copy, any of the copy that you want to write. Claude is really good for that. And of course, Journey Builder can be your MailChimp or Constant Contact replacement tool. It does have email capabilities built into it and text message marketing capabilities built into it. HeyGen, well, great. If you're sending out emails, you want to embed a video into that email, you can incorporate your videos onto your landing pages, onto your emails, into any of your marketing campaigns. And then, of course, Minvo, we have a social media content automation scheduling tool inside of Journey Builder, much like Hootsuite or Buffer or any of those other tools. And you can go in, load up all your videos, load up all your posts for like a month or 6 months, and then just schedule when you want them to go out, and they will go out. So that's how we integrate AI with Journey Builder. There are some other new things that Journey Builder is doing, and what I want to talk about on future webinars as far as conversational AI. We're using that a ton now, where if people get to your website and they have questions, you can train an AI bot to understand your business, and it will act as a human. Chances are, if you've been on a website and you've spoken with a chat bot recently that seemed very human, chances are it was still AI. We're also working with some stuff where we could do phone calls, conversations with AI, and it sounds really real. Tom Poston may have been in a meeting where I demonstrated that not too long ago, and it's not perfect yet, which is why we don't use it and sell it to everyone. I think we're 3 to 6 months out, but there's going to come a time really soon where you're not going to know if the person is real or not on the other end of the phone. I mean, it's that good. It's that good now, but I think 3 to 6 months from now, it's going to be just flawless because there's glitches now. So.